In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom homepage on the DuckDuckGo web browser. Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through a clear and simple way to customize your homepage inside the DuckDuckGo browser so that your favorite website opens automatically whenever you start the browser or open a new tab. This helps you save time and gives you quicker access to the pages you use most often. To begin, launch the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Wait for it to fully load until you reach the default start screen or the last page you were previously browsing. Once the browser is ready, look for the main menu icon, usually represented by 3 dots. This can typically be found in the upper corner of the screen depending on your device layout. Open that menu and select the Settings option. This will bring you into the browser's configuration area where all customization tools are stored. Give it a moment to load completely so you can see all available options clearly. Inside Settings, locate the section labeled General. This is where most basic browser preferences are managed. Scroll carefully through the page or select it from the side panel if your device displays one. Continue moving through this section until you find the option related to your home page or startup page behavior. Once you locate it, select the option that allows you to set a custom URL. This tells the browser that you want to replace the default homepage with a specific website of your choice. A text field will appear where you can enter your preferred web address. At this point, type or paste the full URL of the website you want to use. It is important to include the full address, starting with https:// to ensure it loads correctly. Double-check for any spelling mistakes, since even a small error can prevent the page from opening properly. After confirming the URL is correct, save your changes using the available confirmation button. Next, close the browser completely and reopen it so the new settings can take effect. This restart ensures that your custom homepage is properly applied. Finally, open a new tab or restart the browser again to test your setup. You should now see your selected website load automatically, confirming that your custom homepage has been successfully configured. If everything appears correctly, your setup is complete and working as intended. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.